G'day guys, and welcome to a video. First video of this channel. Don't know how long it's going to last, but we'll see. This is a Invidia Q300 performance exhaust for the MINI Cooper S. So today we're going to be installing that. So first thing, we need to roll the front of the car up onto those wood blocks, as it is too low to fit our trolley jack underneath it because we don't have a low profile one. And then we're going to jack up the front, jack up the rear, so we can get access to the exhaust underneath. It's a bit hard to see from this angle, but I'll circle it in editing. Jack point for the front of the car is right behind there. I can show you once the car's fully up and I can get underneath. So let's slide this under there. And let's start jacking. Alright, now as you can see, the front is jacked up, and the jack stand points are just these little, you can see there we go, these little plastic bits here. And I'll show you where the jack point is for the car. It's just this frame right here. I don't know if I'm filming that very well. Just this frame, because that's resting right on the subframe. So now, let's go do the back. So the rear jack point for this car are those two bolts. So you just get a piece of wood and put it on your trolley jack and jack it up from there. Now we've got the car up in the air, we can go underneath, spray some WD-40 on the bolts to loosen them up, and then get the old exhaust off.
I filmed taking off the hangers the wrong way, but all I did was just grab a screwdriver and some pliers and just force them off because they were properly stuck on there. You can get a special tool that helps out a lot, so I would recommend purchasing that.
Alright, it's very hard to film under here, but with undoing these are all T45s, so just get your impact to get these out. After a lot of fighting with exhaust hangers, we finally got the exhaust off, as you can see. There's nothing there, all the way to the cap. There's the old exhaust over there. And now we're going to start it up without any exhaust on and hear how it sounds. Okay. Alright, now that the exhaust is off, and we did have to remove a tyre to get to that exhaust hanger there easily, this is the new one. So up here we have 2 clamps, a gasket, and a sticker, and some bolts. And then in here we have mid pipe, front pipe with the resonator, and then there's a muffler. So compared that muffler size to the one over there, and that resonator to the one over there, it should be a lot louder, hopefully. At least a little bit, and sound a bit deeper. It was either this one or Remus. Remus was very expensive, so we went with this one. This was $1,299 with only $15 shipping somehow. And Remus was $16.99 plus exhaust tips, and then plus an extra $1,000 if you wanted the valves. So I'm gonna get this all out of the box, and then we can get this onto the car.
I didn't record putting on the exhaust, but it's literally just the opposite of what you did. So just slide everything on a bit loose, and then once it's all on there and lined up properly, tighten up the clamps, and then put back on that bottom plate.
Alright, the exhaust is now on. Tyre's back on. It's not torqued yet. So now we just gotta lower down the back first, and then lower down the front, and we're done. It was a bit hard to film us putting on the exhaust, but yeah.
I just wanted to say thank you guys for watching. I didn't actually record an outro. I forgot to. But my mission is to become the Australian version of Matt Armstrong. So if you can help me out, that'd be amazing. Give a little like, a little subscribe, and hopefully I'll make another video and I'll see you there.